Do you want to sound natural and confident when talking about your New Year resolutions in English? This video will help you learn the phrases people really use. Stay till the end for useful vocabulary and phrases. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe so you won't miss future videos. Let's get started. Hey David, Happy New Year! It feels so good to finally say that. Did you do anything special for New Year's Eve?
Happy New Year, Anna. Yeah, I watched the fireworks with my family and we had a nice dinner together. It was simple, but it felt really meaningful. How about you?
I stayed home too, and honestly, I really liked it. I used the time to think about last year and what I want to do better this year.
Let me guess. New Year resolutions.
Exactly. I love New Year resolutions because they feel like a fresh start. Do you usually make resolutions?
I used to, but I always broke them after a few weeks. So for a while, I stopped making them because I felt like I would fail anyway. But this year, I actually want to try again and take them more seriously.
That's great. Resolutions are not about being perfect. They're about trying to grow. So what's your first resolution?
My biggest one is to be healthier, not just losing weight, but really taking care of my body, eating better, exercising regularly, and sleeping earlier.
That's a really good goal. So how are you planning to do it differently this time?
Well, instead of saying I will be healthy, I'm making smaller goals, like exercising 3 times a week, drinking more water, and avoiding fast food during weekdays. That way, it feels more realistic.
That's smart. Smaller goals are easier to follow. For me, one of my resolutions is to manage my time better. I waste so much time scrolling on my phone or watching random videos.
Oh, I understand that completely. Sometimes I open my phone for just 5 minutes and suddenly 1 hour is gone.
Exactly. So I want to be more disciplined. I plan to spend less time on social media and more time doing useful things like reading, learning new skills, or spending time with family.
That's a great idea. Speaking of learning, do you have any learning goals for this year?
Yes. Another resolution of mine is to improve my English even more. I want to practice speaking, learn new vocabulary, and feel more confident when I talk.
That's awesome. I think resolutions about learning are really powerful because knowledge always stays with you. I also want to learn something new this year. Maybe a new hobby like playing guitar or learning how to cook better.
Cooking is a great skill. Plus, it helps with your be healthier goal.
True. What about emotional or personal growth? Do you have any resolutions like that?
Yes, actually. I want to be kinder to myself. Last year, I was really hard on myself whenever I made mistakes. This year, I want to be more patient and focus on progress rather than perfection.
I love that. Sometimes we forget to treat ourselves with kindness. I also want to work on my attitude. I want to complain less and be more grateful for what I have.
That's a beautiful goal. Gratitude can really change the way we see life.
Yeah, and one more thing. I want to stay consistent. I think the hardest part about New Year resolutions is not starting them. It's continuing them.
I totally agree. The first week is always exciting, but then life gets busy and motivation disappears.
Exactly. So this year, instead of relying only on motivation, I want to build habits. Even if I don't feel like it, I'll try to do at least a small part of my goal.
That's the key. Small steps, but keep moving forward. Even slow progress is still progress.
So, how about this? Let's help each other stay accountable. Maybe once a month we can check in with each other and see how our resolutions are going.
I love that idea. Having someone to share the journey with makes it easier and more encouraging.
Then it's a deal. This year is going to be better, not because it is magically different, but because we are going to make better choices.
Absolutely. New year, new beginning, and better version of us.
Happy New Year again, Anna. I hope all your resolutions come true.
Happy New Year, David, and I hope you reach all your goals too. Let's do our best this year. Let's quickly review a few helpful vocabulary words and phrases you can use. Meaningful. Meaningful means something that is important or has a deep value. Example: spending time with my family was very meaningful to me. Take care of myself. Take care of myself means to do things that keep me healthy and well. Example: this year I want to take care of myself more. Small steps. Small steps means doing things slowly and gradually instead of rushing. Example: even small steps can help you reach your goals. Stick to it. Stick to it means to continue doing something and not give up. Example: I hope I can stick to my resolutions this year. Build good habits. Build good habits means to create positive routines in your life. Example: exercising every day helps me build good habits. Stay consistent. Stay consistent means to keep doing something regularly without stopping. Example: it is hard to stay consistent with resolutions, but it's important.
Motivated. Motivated means feeling like you want to do something and have energy to do it. Example: Watching progress keeps me motivated. Accountable. Accountable means being responsible for what you said you would do. Example: we can check on each other to stay accountable. Make better choices. Make better choices means to pick options that are good for you and your future. Example: this year, I want to make better choices every day. Focus on progress. Focus on progress means to pay attention to improvement instead of perfection. Example: it's better to focus on progress than to worry about mistakes. Share the journey. Share the journey means to experience something together and support each other. Example: it helps when someone shares the journey with you. Take it seriously. Take it seriously means to treat something as important. Example: this year, I really want to take my resolutions seriously. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate small wins means to feel proud of small successes. Example: celebrating small wins keeps you encouraged.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye for now.